Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 3 from 1.4 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So now we're asked to use the laws of exponents to rewrite and simplify the following. So let's start with a. We have b to the power 8 multiplied by 2b to the power 4. So here we're allowed to distribute the power 4 because we don't have a plus. So remember, if you have this, you're not allowed to do this. But if you have multiplication or division, just like we do here, you're allowed to distribute that power. So this will give us 2 to the power 4, b to the power 4. And now we can multiply everything. 2 to the power 4 will just be left as it is, which is 16. Then b, we have a b and a b there, so there's the same base, and we can add the 2. So 8 plus 4 will be 12, and this would be your final answer. Moving on to b, we have 6y to the power 3, then everything to the power 4. At the bottom we have 2y to the power 5. Once again, we have multiplication, so we're allowed to distribute the power. So we're going to have this, then 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. Okay, this is what we have, this is where we are. Now we can split this 6 into 2 multiplied by 3 so that we can have a base of 2, just like we do at the bottom of the end. So if we split it into 2 times 3, then everything to the power 4. That will help us to then pass this power of 4 over to everything to 2 and 3. Then we can now work with the base 2. So now we have 2 to the power 4. So let's move on to this side. 2 to the power 4 minus 1, which would be 3. So the 1 comes from the bottom. So remember, when you have division, you're going to subtract. And that multiplies 3 to the power 4. Then we have y to the power 12 minus the 5 at the bottom, which will give us 7. So in the end, we just have 8 multiplied by 81. So the 8 is 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4 is 81. And we also have a y to the power 7 over there. And we're going to multiply everything now. So 8 multiplied by 80 is 640, then plus 8 times 1, that's 648. Y to the power 7.